Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this delicious 3-bread raisin bread. It's soft and sweet on the inside with a golden crust. I'll be walking you through every step of the process, from kneading the dough to braiding and baking it. Let's get started. We'll start off by activating the yeast. Add 1 cup of warm milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. Mix and set it aside. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. Mix 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine your wet and dry ingredients. And mix until a sticky dough is formed. Transfer everything to a floured surface and knead until everything comes together. Add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter or margarine and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure all your margarine is kneaded into the dough. This is going to take some time and a little bit of patience. Once the dough is smooth and slightly elastic, transfer it to a lightly oiled bowl and let it rest for 1 hour. Once your dough has doubled in size, punch down the dough. Turn it out onto a floured surface. Now you're going to fold in your raisins into your dough and knead. Divide your dough into 3 equal portions. And roll each into a long rope. To braid, pinch the top ends of the ropes together, then cross the left strand over the middle, then the right over the new middle. Keep going and alternating sides. Once you reach the end, pinch it closed and tuck both ends slightly underneath for a clean and rounded finish. Transfer your braided loaf to a baking sheet and let it rise for about 30 minutes. Brush the loaf with some egg wash. And bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Let the bread cool on a wire rack for at least 20 minutes before slicing. You can enjoy the bread plain or with some butter and jam, and they're also perfect for some French toast. Thanks for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. Let me know down in the comments how yours turned out. See you in the next video.